Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. It's Andy and I'm on Andy's Beer Reviews for this next review, which is Chaff from Farm Yard Brew Co in Lancaster. It's a 4.7% ABV session IPA. Got this from Spa, paid £3.69 for it. Let's crack it open and let's see what we've got, shall we? Ooh, getting some tropical aromas off that one, off the pot. Bad pour. Bad pour. There's a bit more in there. So that has poured hazy. I'm going to call that a golden colour, like golden colour, with a 3-finger, 2.5, 3-finger. Fluffy white head. That will recede fairly quickly, I think, by the looks of things. Yeah, but I did get some tropical aromas on the pour. Let's see what's. Let's get those in there. See what's in there now, shall we? It does smell quite. It smells really. I have to say, it smells really fresh. I'm getting grapefruit and mango. Yep, just grapefruit and mango. No wrong with that though. Taste it. Cheers, everybody. Again, on the taste, it is quite a fresh flavour. Again, fruity. Grapefruit, mango, a little bit of orange this time coming through on the flavour. I didn't get that on the nose at all. Nice levels of carbonation. Behind it, I am picking up the nice sweet malt. Nice sharp bitterness. Not too sharp, but it's there. So it feels like I haven't picked it up in the aroma. Or maybe it's starting to warm up actually. A little bit of pine in there. No, is it starting to warm up? There's a little bit of pine in there. One of my friends said, Andy, I like your reviews. Why do you keep twirling a glass? And I said to him, because it releases more aroma and flavours. Ain't getting happens. Just the way you can pick up these glasses with these ridges, so when the beer flows over it, it releases more flavour and aroma atoms. I'm pretending I know what I'm talking about now. It failed a little bit then, didn't it? My daughter's a scientist, not me. I was quite handy at football at school and that was about it. Not bad. Yeah, sorry, it's more than not bad. That is really nice. On the aroma, I have got some of that pine starting to come out of it. So it's grapefruit, some mango, a little bit of pininess. That mango, that grapefruit comes through on the flavour, a little bit of orange, pininess again, and that pininess just gives it a nice little bite of bitterness. It's a little bit drying. But like I say, it's nice, it's refresh, it's fresh, it's refreshing. That is actually quite a tasty brew. So is there anything particularly special? Bags of tropical and citrus fruits on the palate. Yeah, we got that. With floral aroma. Got a little bit of floralness, not a massive amount. Low bitterness. I actually like the bitterness. I don't know if I'd call it low bitterness. Pairs well with beach balls and smell of sun cream. It's a good summer drink. But I like some bitterness. I wouldn't say, depends what else to brew. I'm left with quite a nice lasting bitterness there, which I quite like. I like that. I'd score that 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 from Andy's beer reviews. Whatever you're drinking, please enjoy it. And until the next review, cheers everybody.